Hi folks, welcome back to a very short video today from Audiofile-Incar. Just want to show you a laser lamp installation in a Range Rover, so a Range Rover autobiography, full size, and we've installed a Lazer Linear 18. Now, there's not a kit for this, everything's custom made. And as you can see, we've flushed it in, we've got stainless steel brackets, it's sitting absolutely perfectly. It's fully automated, so we're using CAN integration to make sure it comes on off manually. It's also got a little valet switch to keep it completely legal. The reason why I'm making this video is because I think I'm probably right in saying, and I think Lazer would agree, we are one of the UK's leading laser lamp installation centres. We do literally hundreds of them, as well as the sort of standard stuff that we're putting in all sorts of standard cars. We do lots and lots of bespoke installations just like this. So new Range Rover, lots of people moan that, not new actually, it's about 2018, lots of people moan that the lights aren't great on them. It's easily fixed. We also have other options. So we have this is a Linear 18 Elite. We have a Linear 18 with low beam assist. It does exactly that, means that it assists with low beam as well as full beam. So if you'd like to improve the lights on your vehicle, give us a shout, because we've almost definitely got a solution. And as you can see, that looks pretty damn cool in there. Thank you very much for watching.